color correction for flat icon, error in my pack which I uploaded on Flaticon. They said replace the icon with error or discard them when you're done, send it back for review. The error they had tell me in the icon is color palettes. uh, you can see right side they mentioned the error which they found in my icons. Most of them have color palette issue and one another also. So I am fixing this in my icons in this video. So let's see if this will help you all to upload your icons with no error and with their guideline. Okay, so when I click on the color palette, this is their guideline for color palette. It is clearly mentioned the color palette used in the composition does not match with pack theme. Your content can also be rejected because color applied are absolute or no harmonious. Pack can be rejected when chromatic harmony is disrupted by too many colors. So this is what they are telling us, that here is an example what they don't like and what they prefer for colors. Means it is a burger, means the natural color of burger is not like this, it should look like this in colors. We can see from this example what they are asking for color palettes. Okay, what color is suitable they are trying to show us in this example. So I had fixed my issue. Most of them in my color palette are like tools for kids for playing, entertainment and all. So this was my old icon which they don't like colors. This uh, blue color, tortoise blue, and this dark blue, kind of navy blue kind. So this is the old color, and I had changed this color to this color. Means what I taken from, I had typed in Flaticon ball, and I found that mainly they are using this kind of icons or colorful icons, but I don't want use this much icon in my this much color in my icons. So I found this color very suitable for me for ball and in background and in dark color. So now I am doing this one. Building. Copy this icon in this board for right now to quick fix, and I press I to pick this color, grayish type, and press again I to pick this one. So in this icon they had mentioned another error is homogeneity, lack of homogeneity. This is an homogeneity, means we can see here you can I will give this link in description so you can see what are their guidelines for icon. These are the issues they explain us. In stroke, all stroke must be same thickness, and discontinuous stroke means what they don't want. They had mentioned in here typography. We don't have typography in our icon. Color, again the color is came in homogeneity, so that's why I had changed completely my color differently according to their selected icon. In here you can see what are the difference. Can you see my cursor here? It is not rounded corner, and here it's rounded corner, but here door is not rounded corner, and you can see here door is rounded corner. This is there I try to explain that if most of the things are rounded corner, then every element should be rounded. Okay, inner is, it will be okay, but outside it should be rounded. Here you can see inner side is not rounded, but outside you can see rounded corner. And here it's same, here goes indoor rounded corner, but inner is not rounded, so they select this. But here outside is not rounded and inner is not rounded, and means it is not proper balance for roundness in full object. So this is issue in my, so I had fixed already one icon like this one. Before it looks different, and now I will fix this. And one more thing I will tell, like what, like points. You can see here the points are very useful where it's needed. There is only points, but before it was not like this. And now you can see here this node is not useful, so I remove this and this and this one again and this and this and this, so it is now proper balance. And okay, so I give roundness here. I select this corner, this, and I give this one, sorry, this, it was not selected proper before. Okay, so you can see I had given rounded effect and I had balance, color and everything. So it is my building. Now you have saved in SVG, and an SVG replace here, they tell me that fix the error in this pack. So I am replacing, this is replace button for building, replace, and here is my building SVG which I had fixed right now and selected. Now you can see your building is fixed. I had removed the unuseful nodes, points, and I had fixed the proper roundness also. Okay, so next, this is where we can fix our flat icon errors. And next is our charger. Ungroup here. V to select this icon, I to select color here, sorry, okay, so this is our charger. now replace it again. Charger, bubble is left. Okay. In that charger also they had written homogeneity, so we have to fix the roundness of the corners also. To select this roundness node, we have to select this our tool, direct selection tool, a shortcut key, and then press shift and then click on every node which you want to edit like this. Okay, so it's this and it's done. So okay, this is done. So guys, this much I have to fix. I will fix all soon, and then I upload it again for review. So